Ever wondered how to make your money work for you in the digital age? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Imagine being able to transact, invest, and potentially grow your wealth at the speed of light from anywhere in the world. That's the power of financial technology today. Cryptocurrency, with its decentralized nature, offers you the potential for exponential growth and financial freedom. But remember, the world of investing is not without its risks. So it's crucial to only invest money that you can afford to lose. The key is to approach it with a level of prudence, understanding, and a dash of excitement. The beauty of cryptocurrency is its simplicity and speed. Transactions are swift, and the process is straightforward. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, the choices are wide-ranging, and the opportunities are vast. So, are you ready to ride the wave of the future and start investing in cryptocurrency? Getting started with cryptocurrency might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. First things first, you need to open a cryptocurrency account. This process is straightforward. All you need is an email address and a secure password. Once you've confirmed your account, it's time to deposit some funds. In this case, we're talking about a minimum of R500, which is approximately $25. Remember, you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Once your deposit is in, it's time to start trading. You can buy, sell, or invest in various cryptocurrencies at least once a month to grow your investment. Now let's talk about a sweet deal. If you use my specific promotional code when making your deposit, you'll receive free Bitcoin worth R200. That's right, free Bitcoin just for getting started. And just like that, you're a step closer to making your money work for you. But remember, the key to successful investing is patience and consistency. So what's in it for you? Let's talk benefits. Investing in cryptocurrency opens a world of opportunities. It's not just about high returns, although that's certainly a draw. It's also about liquidity, the ability to convert your assets into cash swiftly and smoothly. Plus, diversifying your portfolio with cryptocurrency can help hedge against traditional market fluctuations. And let's not forget the potential for passive income growth. That's right, your money could be working for you, even as you sleep. Now, let's revisit that promotional offer. By depositing just 500 Rand into your account and verifying your identity, you can claim an extra 200 Rands worth of Bitcoin. That's an instant boost to your crypto journey. Plus, this unlocks the opportunity to earn even more cryptocurrency, completely free of charge. So, are you ready to embark on your cryptocurrency journey and make your money work for you? The future is in your hands.